Welcome to the global culture. This is Eggonomist.
It all starts with a simple egg. But have you ever wondered how this single ingredient fueled empires, inspired revolutions, and connected global cultures for thousands of years? Let's be clear, Eggonomist is not just another cooking channel with basic breakfast ideas. We are not here to teach you how to make a quick morning scramble. This is a global historical and gastronomic encyclopedia. Our mission is to document, analyze, and explore every single egg recipe ever created across all continents. At the core of our project is the global culture of fried eggs in all its diversity. From ancient ceremonial dishes to modern street food, to bring this journey to life, we harness the power of artificial intelligence to recreate historical eras, authentic atmospheres, and the rich cultural background where these recipes were born. Look at this incredible range: a sizzling stir-fry wok, spicy Middle Eastern shakshuka, legendary Japanese omurice with a silky texture, savory okonomiyaki, and even exotic sushi featuring a miniature fried egg. Alongside them, classic poached eggs on toasted bread and crispy deep-fried Asian street food omelets. Street markets of Asia, watching noodles, tofu, and eggs sizzle under intense wok heat. Then we move straight into the heart of the Middle East with shakshuka, where eggs gently poached in a rich bubbling tomato sauce laced with bell peppers, garlic, and fresh herbs become a centerpiece of community dining. Japanese culinary precision brings us omurice, a delicate silky scrambled egg blanket, carefully folded over seasoned fried rice and draped in savory sauce. Right next to it is okonomiyaki, a comforting cabbage pancake topped with strips of bacon, seared to golden perfection on a cast-iron skillet. Even modern fusion cuisine finds inspiration here, crafting salmon sushi rolls delicately topped with miniature sunny-side-up quail eggs, or deep-fried tempura rolls crowned with melted cheese, spicy sauces, and fish roe. Beyond that, we explore the world of timeless comfort food. Double sunny-side-up eggs fried inside a crispy bacon ring, fluffy layered pancakes smothered in melted cheese, and deep-fried Asian street food omelets that puff up instantly in boiling oil. We see classic scrambled eggs served with bacon, waffles, and warm maple syrup, alongside elegant brunch creations like runny poached eggs, resting over sliced avocado, crispy bacon, and toasted sourdough bread. Every single culture has taken this humble product and elevated it into an absolute masterpiece of local tradition. A sizzling stir-fry wok, spicy Middle Eastern shakshuka, legendary Japanese omurice with a silky texture, savory okonomiyaki, and even exotic sushi featuring a miniature fried egg. Alongside them, classic poached eggs on toasted bread and crispy deep-fried Asian street food omelets. Each dish is just the tip of the iceberg. Based on your comments, we'll break down any recipe you choose in depth, revealing exact ratios, proper techniques, and cultural history. You decide where our next episode takes us. Every video is a journey through time and traditions, where the humble egg takes center stage. Subscribe to Eggonomist. Tell us in the comments which recipe or era we should explore next, and let's discover the world together.